Okay, let's do this. Today it's kind of different. Today it's a little bit of a weird one because just a disclaimer, I'm not a gamer. I don't play games. So I used to play a lot of games like in the arcade, but not video games at home. So today it's gonna be a little bit different, a little bit of a new thing for me. But this setup is really cool to me. That's why I want to make a video about it. And you'll see that like I have a new setup here as well. I have my top-down camera set up just like before. So I'm so happy about it. Before I didn't have this setup. But now in this new place, I have the top-down camera set up so you guys can see from the top-down view. I can actually see it at the top. It's really, really nice. And I have a monitor in front of my EOS R as well. At the top, I have the M50. Okay, let's jump right into it. Today, we're gonna talk about how to connect your Xbox controller to your iPad. And I have an iPad Pro 11-inch 2018 model here. I just saw this setup on the internet actually. And I think that it's really, really cool because you can actually connect an Xbox or a PS4 controller to your iPad to play some games there. I'm really excited about it. So let's take a quick look. Okay, let's try to unbox it first. Okay, I'll have my iPad set up on the side. By the way, I got this at Best Buy. I'm not sponsored by Best Buy in any way. I just got it price match at Best Buy. They were selling it the discount cost and Microsoft, and they matched it, and it's really good. This is just a regular white Xbox One controller, a wireless version. I'm pretty sure you have to go with the wireless one because the wired one, I don't think it will work with the iPad because I don't think there's a way that you can connect it. So get the wireless one because it's a Bluetooth controller. So this is how it looks like. I'm sure if you have the controller, you know exactly what it looks like already. So inside the box, they have two batteries, AA batteries, so it's not rechargeable on the controller. I don't know why. This is kind of confusing to me. But they have AA batteries inside the box. And let's try to get the batteries out. I hate these like wrappings, but that's okay. So I got all the batteries out. Let's take a look at the controller before I put the batteries inside. It's a matte finish, and again, I don't have any gaming console at home, and I don't have an Xbox at home, so this seems quite foreign to me. But it feels good. It's a matte finish. I like it because I don't like the glossy finish that's gonna like put like fingerprints on it everywhere all the time. So I like this finish. Let's try to put the battery inside at the back. Okay, so that's a negative. This is the positive. This video is kind of different because this one is not script. I'm trying to make it like more organic because I know that setting up this controller will take some time and I don't think a script video will make any sense. So bear with me if I'm talking like nonsense. So let's take a look. So this is the controller with the battery inside now. It feels really good with the Xbox One controller. All the control buttons are really tactile and it's actually quite hefty. So I like the weight of this controller. I have an iPad Pro here, the 11-inch iPad Pro. You don't need to have an 11-inch iPad or 12.9-inch iPad Pro with you in order to play games because some games, they're not that demanding. But before we start the game, let's try to connect the iPad to the Xbox One controller. I remember you have to go into settings and you have to go into Bluetooth. So I have a lot of Bluetooth devices connected to my iPad already, but it doesn't really matter. All you need to do is to press this button here to turn on the controller, I believe. I'll press and hold, so it's flashing slowly. So this is not connecting yet. In order to change it to the pairing mode, you have to press the button at the top right there. If you can't see it from the top camera, I'll try to bring it to the top camera. This is a button. Press and hold this button until the light starts flashing like that. And you will see that the Xbox wireless controller is on my iPad right now. So all I need to do is to tap onto that and it should connect. Yes, it's connected now to my iPad, but I don't think I can control anything with the controller. Yes, this is just for gaming purposes, so it will not do anything to my iPad. So let's try to launch a game. I have the Call of Duty Mobile version on my iPad Pro. This is a really fun game. I use this on-screen button to play and it's okay. It's not the best experience, but this is gonna be some next level stuff if I have the Xbox One controller connected. So it's now loading the game. I don't know if I have to download any updates. If I do, I will skip to when the game started loading. So it's loading now. Please be patient. It looks really cool already with like the controller and the iPad Pro. I picked the white color, by the way. This is really nice. I know that there's a black one, and that's probably the stock one, but this one is really cool. Oh, I have to accept some terms and conditions. I haven't played this game for a while, so maybe that's why it's like giving me all these like updates. I don't know, like, okay, so in this game there is a setting button at the top, so we just need to tap onto it and advanced mode. Okay, I will choose events. I don't want to link to social media, but under link to there is a controller tab at the top of the settings screen where you can actually customize the buttons of your Xbox One controller. You can see that the controller is now on the screen. So they have different settings, and I will probably stick with the default one. I will just jump right into the game to see how it feels like. You guys can customize the buttons yourself. Like, I have no idea what they're for. So let's get started. Okay. But the funny thing is I can't really use the controller to select anything. Like, not even like start. Okay, I guess I'll just press start. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I'm waiting for the other player to join. And this is really weird, like looking at the screen like flat down on the table playing a game. So, oh, okay. And I'm on that side, which is the left-hand side. And I have no idea what I'm doing, so I'm just going to go select. Oh, it's working now already, so as you can see, I'm not moving. I'm just like, oh, I am moving with the controller. I'm not like moving. Oh, this is a jump button, and I assume this is the fire button. Oh, no, that's like a friend. So I guess the left is to use the aiming crossfire, and of course, oh, it's quite sensitive, to be honest with you. It's like probably like even too like sensitive. Oh, okay. How do I reload? Okay, X is reload by default. Oh my. Oh, what? Okay, I just got killed from the back. And it's really sensitive, to be honest with you. So A is the jump button. B, it's crawling by default in this game. So you can customize your button in any way you want. And told you I'm not a gamer. Oh, I guess like, oh, oh no. Okay, this is like way more fun playing with compared to, oh, that's switching weapons. That's a Y button. Oh, what happened? Whoa. This is fun. This is really fun with a controller, actually. So that's how you play the game. Oh, I can have a map. Can I pause it? Nope, I have no idea how to pause it. So I'm just going to exit the game. Again, you don't need an iPad Pro in order to use the Xbox One controller or a PS4 or any other Bluetooth controllers. You just need iOS 13. That's all you need to connect the Xbox One controller or other controllers to the iPad. So you can have a regular iPad, iPad mini, as long as your iPad has the power to run the games. My experience is it's really smooth, so it's definitely worth buying the controller to connect to your iPads to play games. So mobile gaming on iPad, it's really fun. I think it's like really smooth. And that's it. So that is the Xbox One controller connecting to the iPad to play games on the iPad. You can also do this on an iPhone as long as they're running iOS 13 or above. If you have any questions about the controller, or if you have any questions about connecting your devices to your controller, let me know in the description below. If you have any products you want me to review on this channel, let me know as well. If you like this video, share with your friends and family to help this channel grow. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.